Hello everyone and a warm welcome to my channel CS Ritu Goyal. But if you're new here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon. Today I'm going to attend a seminar on corporate restructuring. It is at the Park Hotel, Connaught Place. I'm very much excited and overwhelmed today because it's my first hand experience to host any such seminar. Number of participants.
Hello. Am I audible? Shall we start? Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. आज इस हॉल में बहुत जोश दिखना चाहिए. So I welcome all of you on behalf of NIRC of the ICSI. I am Ritu Goyal. I am a company secretary and I am extremely honored to be the moderator of this session, and I request the participation of all of you for this. Thank you so much for having me here. Chairman and Santosh Pandey, thank you so much. So good morning everyone. As we all know, the success of any event depends upon the presence of great personalities who actually lend a charisma to the occasion and make it meaningful. And today, it's a matter of pride for the capital city of India, that is Delhi, to have the members of our profession of the Institute of Company Secretaries of India in this hall who are present here, and they are making this ceremony a glittering one. I extend my hearty welcome to all of you on behalf of the ICSI and for the presence of yourself on the seminar on the topic Revitalizing Strategies Exploring Corporate Restructuring for the Enhanced Business Performance. The motto song of the ICSI says, Satyam Vada Dharmam Chara, speak the truth and मुझे आवाज नहीं आई. Speak the truth and abide by the law. So I request everyone to please stand for the motto song. Thank you. I request our chairman Jatin Singhal ji, escorted by Santosh Pandey ji, Preeti Grover ma'am, Jatin Singhal ji and Santosh Pandey ji, to please escort our chief guest for the day, who is the regional director MCA, Shri Vinod ji. Now we all shall stand for the motto song.
संसार को कोई लक्ष्य नामुमकिन नहीं, याद के और न्याय की हर राह को थामे हुए चल पड़े हैं झूम कर बस कीजिए गाते हुए. सत्यम वद धर्मम चर, सत्यम वद धर्मम चर, सत्यम वद धर्मम चर. हर उन्नति के रंग में हर भारतीय ये हाथ हो उद्यम हो या उद्योग हो हर ओर अपना साथ हो जाना शिखर तक है हमें सच की कलाई थाम हम जीत के सुर छेड़ेंगे जीत के गाते हुए सत्यम वद धर्मं चर सत्यम वद धर्मं चर सत्यम वद धर्मं चर.
Thank you so much, everyone. As we all know that India is known for its rich cultural heritage and ethical values, we, the Company Secretaries of India, are the patents for carrying out those ethical values and respecting cultural aspects, that is Atithi Devo Bhava. We are going to welcome our chief guest for the day, that is Shri Vinod Sharma ji, who is none other than RD North from the MCA. ये कहना है भारत की धरा का, ये कहना है भारत की धरा का, हम स्वागत कर रहे आपका, हम स्वागत कर रहे आपका, सम्मान करके उस परंपरा का. I now request Shri Suresh Pandey ji, Central Council member, along with NIRC ICSI chairman Shri Jatin Singhal ji, vice person Shri Preeti Grover ma'am, along with Santosh Pandey ji, the program director for the day, to present a planter and a shawl to our chief guest of the day. I request a big round of applause. The chairman is presenting the planter along with other esteemed dignitaries, and this is an expression of gratitude, and we are welcoming him wholeheartedly. Welcome you, sir. It's a pleasure to have your august presence in this seminar, which is hosted by the Institute of Company Secretaries of India. This planter is an explicable bond which we have for you, sir, and we are so sure this planter is going to foster the principles of corporate governance and will sprinkle the sparkles. With these words, we thank you so much, sir, once again on behalf of our institute for your august presence here. Now, I will request Santosh Pandey ji, who is the program director and member NIRC ICSI, to deliver his welcome address. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much, Ritu ma'am. Very good morning to all of you. And first of all, at the outset, thank you all for accommodating this preponed program. It was supposed to happen on 18th, but it has been shifted to 11th of May just because of the availability of Regional Director, sir. Honorable Chief Guest of the day, Shri Vinod Sharma ji, Regional Director, MCA. Central Council Member, my elder brother, C.S. Suresh Pandey ji. Vice Chairperson Preeti Grover ji, Chairman NIRC Jatin Singhal ji, all dear participants. I welcome you all to this particular program which is there on the theme. Being a program director, I would like to tell you the detail what is going to happen in the whole day and what you are going to learn. So, few days back when I was reading some of the judgments of corporate restructuring, I found one interesting judgment. So what was there in that judgment is that when the merger or corporate restructuring was there with High Court, they used to refer the Mihit H. Mafatlal judgment, and the wisdom of the members or creditors, whosoever passes the resolution is the superior thing. High Court just only check the procedural thing and they pass on the corporate restructuring program. But in the new scenario, the NCLT has taken a view in one of the judgment that now this particular power has been shifted into two parts. One is regional director, one is NCLT and NCLT, sorry. So for that, under this NCLT also there is a mechanism of judicial member, there is a mechanism of technical member. So even then, because of this persistence of this particular mechanism, the NCLT and RD is having all right to get into the technicalities of corporate restructuring, and that is very, very well.
Welcome Preeti Grover ma'am to please address the participants. Please, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Respected Vinod Sharma ji, RD North, our Central Council member Suresh Pandey ji, Chairman Jatin Singhal, Regional Council member Suresh Pandey, to all the members present here, a very good morning and thank you so much for joining with us today. So when we started with the motto song, I just realized that many of the members do not know the motto song in full.
Yes, we are truly blessed that you are present here and for your motivational words, ma'am. I now welcome the chairman, NIRC ICSI, CS Jatin Singhal sir, to deliberate and address the audience. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Rituma. Honorable Chief Guest of today, Shri Vinod Sharma, Regional Director, MCA. Suresh Pandey, Center Council Member, Vice Chairperson, CS.
Nowadays conducting for its participants. I now welcome the Central Council member Suresh Pandey sir to please come here and address the participants. Over to you, sir. Big thanks to you, sir. Suresh Pandey ji. It's always a pleasure for listening to your motivational words, sir. Thank you so much for enlightening us and deliberating on some very few important aspects which are so useful for the members of the profession. Thank you, sir. We are extremely honored and obliged, also thankful to you, sir, for being the chief guest of the day, Shri Vinod Sharma ji, who is the Regional Director North from the MCA. Sir, we are thankful to you for taking out time from your busy schedule to attend this occasion and grace this event with your esteemed presence. Sir, may I request you now to please address the participants. Please a big round of applause. This is the last question. Thank you.
Thank you. Sir, just taking the cue. Please, one permission.
Thank you so much, everyone, and let's all disperse for the tea. Thank you so much.
Prior to that, I will request only one thing. I am very unfortunate not to listen the two orators or speakers available here. I am literally unfortunate. I have to rush. Will you please permit me? So, lot of thanks from my side.
Thank you so much, sir. So please, I request everyone to join back after 10 to 15 minutes because we are running short of time and we'll start the technical session very soon. Thank you so much. So those participants who are also joining online, so please you join back. I think you should continue. Please continue after 15 minutes. Thank you so much. He is none other than CS Nitin Srivastava. Let's join our hands together to welcome our first speaker for the day, for the technical session, with a big round of applause. May I now request the chairman NIRC.
I would request everyone to please settle down. Yes.
Please everyone settle down. May I now request the chairman NIRC and also the program director Santosh Pandey to give a planter to CS Nitin Srivastava ji. And I also request Sandeep Tarangi to join. Please sir.
कोई मांगे तो दे दो.
Can I also request Archana ma'am to be on the dais
कोई अगर मांगे
and give planter to our eminent guest? Please ma'am. CS Nitin Srivastava ji. So I'm just giving a brief introduction of sir. So he's having more than 13 years of rich experience in consulting. He has worked with companies such as KPMG and he was in the M&A tax practice in his last serving role. Sir has advised clients, numerous clients on mergers, demergers, slum sale, corporate restructuring, internal reorganizations, tax optimization strategies, inbound and outbound investments and tax due diligence. He has vast experience on advising on transaction structuring relating to divestitures, cross-border taxation, contract structuring and negotiations, family settlement issues and trust structuring. Sir has also worked on the implementation of scheme of arrangement in High Court, NCLT and advised companies across sectors such as automotive, healthcare, IT, financial services, oil and gas, etc. Sir enjoys traveling and running. So it's a sheer pleasure, sir, to have you amongst us. We welcome you on behalf of NIRC of the ICSI and we request you to deliberate on the topic procedural, technical and stamp duty aspect in corporate research. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much, Nitin sir. Prior to I request Nitin sir to take the platform, there is one small gift, the mobile number of regional director. Please note it down, 921 57 11 087. I repeat, 921 57 11 087. ये शायद पहली मर्तबा हो रहा है कि कोई अथॉरिटी का नंबर सेमिनार से मिल रहा है, तो बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर द चेयरमैन टू होल्ड दिस सेमिनार. 921 57 11 087.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here and talking about the topic which I have been doing throughout my career so far. So it's very close to me, and this is something which I think is not fair to cover in 1 hour. But let's give it a try, and I'll try and cover most of the important topics. I'll take a liberty not to go into detail of Companies Act.
Ram sir is going to speak on the legal aspect of corporate restructuring and also will be sharing important judgments. I would request Ritu ma'am, without wasting any time, please introduce and invite our second speaker.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sir, for your kind words of wisdom. And I request the chairman, C.S. Jatin Singhal sir, and Program Director Santosh Pandey, Vice Chairperson Preeti Grover ma'am, and C.S. Sudhanshu Singhal ji from the participants to please present Shahid Ki Beti certificate. So I would like to apprise, as everyone knows, that this Shahid Ki Beti certificate is an initiative of the Institute for the Education of Daughters of Martyrs who have valiantly fought to protect the sovereignty of the nation till their last breath. For big round of applause, I say acknowledges your benevolence for this kind of gift to serve. Thank you. Now, I now welcome our next eminent speaker of the day who needs no introduction, CSGP Madanji, who is a fellow member of the Institute and also has been a past chairman of the NIRC ICSI. During the year 2005, he is an insolvency professional and having a vast experience of 3 decades. So please. So I would
Smart and dynamic personality.
I would request the chairman to please escort him to the dais. So we are blessed to have you here. So we are presenting this charter as a token of appreciation from the ICSI to the eminent speaker who needs no introduction. Thank you so much.
Thank you. May I ask the organizers how much time do I have at my disposal? So ask them also. Ask the participants also. Yes, how much? Sir, what? Yeah. Then who wish to tell me? Yes. Program Director Sahib.
15 minutes. 20 minutes. I think. 20 minutes.
हम साहब ने कहा दिया 30 minutes. 40. बोली रजनी. For being with you and I. Thank you.
Thank you so sir. For this here at Mafatlal, I would request all the participants to please be seated for another 5 minutes. For another 5 minutes, please. Please be seated. Sir, with respect to this Hiraj Mafatlal judgment, I am having also one judgment with me. अच्छा हो गया. रितु जी, आप vote of thank you.
A big thanks to you, GP Madan sir, for deliberating on the topic legal aspects in corporate restructuring and discussion on important judgments such as Mafatlal case, sir. We are extremely enlightened by the knowledge and information shared by you, sir. We are truly blessed and thankful to you that, and also obliged that you took out time from your busy schedule. I would now request the Chairman NIRC of the ICSI, Jatin Singhal sir, and Vice Person Preeti Grover ma'am, also coupled with Program Director Santosh Pandey to please present the Shaheed Ki Beti certificate to GP Madan sir. Please give a big round of applause. It's an honor to have you here, sir. Please, participants, I request for a big round of applause. Thank you so much. सर, आपका तहे दिल से धन्यवाद. आप यहाँ आए और हम सबको प्रेरित किया. Thank you, sir. We now conclude this meeting, this seminar, and thank you so much for joining online and offline. The session has now ended. This is an information for the people joining online, and we are ending the session now. Thank you so much.
आप सबकी गुड विशेस चाहिए. Please keep me in your blessings and thank you so much, and I see you in the next video. Bye.